Hello everybody, and hope you're having a great day. For this video, I'm going to cover email templates. So let's go to the far left to marketing, then email template. And then all of our email templates on our store will be listed. If you'd like to create a new email template, go to the top right and select the green new button. But for this example, I'm going to modify the order canceled email. So the email template name, your customer will not see this. This is just for internal use. From name, whatever is in here, this is what the from field will say in the email. And the from email, whatever is listed here, that will be the email that this will be sent from. These are merge codes, and all that does is pull in what you have for your store email, but if you'd like, you can just put an actual email address. Format is usually set to text by default, and this controls the email body. So all we can put in here is just text. However, if we change it to HTML, now for the email body, we can put HTML in it. An email subject, your customer will see this. This is the subject of the email. Now if we scroll down to admin alert settings, and if we have send checked, then a copy of this email will be sent to you. However, whatever is in here, this information will also be listed, but your customers will not see the info in here. Now let's see where we can apply the email templates. So let's go to the bottom left and select settings, then people, and scroll down to email settings. And from here we can control what the customer receives when they do certain actions, such as new registration email, mailing list sign up, reset customer. Now let's also go to orders and scroll down, order confirmation email. So when your customer actually places an order, whatever is here, that's what they will receive. And let's also go underneath orders to order statuses. And for your order, when the order status is changed, you can have an email address send when that status change happens, and all you have to do is select it from the email notification. And finally, we're going to go to our power features. So let's go to tools, power features, and then rule engine, and let's do order event. So on the top right, select new, and let's give it a name. We'll call it email test, and respond to, we'll say a new order is placed or created. Let's save it. And then once we save, we can actually give conditions and actions. So if I say new, I'll select is an admin user, and then save. So it says if the person is an admin user, then for my actions, I can send an email template to a specific address. So this is another use for email templates, and then put in the actual email address right here.